Every tool we create at HIPPSC begins with a single principle: precision. For over 20 years, we've been crafting solutions for those who demand more accuracy, more efficiency, and more possibilities from their tools. Our mission isn't just to build tool holders. It's to set a new benchmark for reliability and innovation in the industry. Specializing in shrink-fit tooling, we deliver products engineered to go beyond the ordinary, transforming how our partners work in aerospace, automotive, and advanced manufacturing. Innovation at HIPPSC means relentless improvement. Every shrink-fit tool holder is rigorously tested and refined, ensuring it meets the highest standards, because that's what the future demands. We're here to make sure that, whatever challenges you take on, your tools are always ready to meet them. HIPPSC. Precision for today. Innovation for tomorrow.